I personally think of electrical and computer engineering as computer science and a whole lot more.
So I think electrical and computer engineering is an extremely broad discipline relative to other engineering disciplines. I think we have an enormous breadth of possible areas that students can work on.
I chose to major in electrical and computer engineering because I knew that it would enable me to pursue my interests but also not limit them.
So we have students who work on anything from devices and materials and the physics of quantum computing to computing for artificial intelligence to robotics to the mathematical background and foundations of data science and machine learning.
So my favorite parts of being an electrical and computer engineering student is just the diversity of classes that Cornell has to offer. I have had the opportunity to take both strictly electrical classes and strictly computer engineering classes, and that breadth of options has just made my education so enriching.
I just kind of love the fact that ECE is a much broader major, and there's so many tracks within it that you're able to kind of, take your introduction classes and figure out based on those introduction classes where exactly you want to go within ECE, because you can go down the digital route, the analog route, the embedded systems route. There's so many different ways you can go.
From working in projects in the makerspace, doing research, doing project team, along with projects I have inside my class, working by myself or with partners, really has given me an aspect of developing my soft skills as well as developing my technical skills.
So since being at Cornell, I've had the opportunity to do 3 different internships. And this past summer, I had the opportunity of working with Apple as a system electrical engineer on a Mac systems. I think it gave me a great perspective and honestly solidified that this is something I really like to do.
We are preparing students to be those people with new ideas, to be sort of the foundational developers of new AI and machine learning technologies. But I think there's lots of places where a student who's interested in AI or machine learning or data science can come and do some really exciting stuff.
Artificial intelligence, wirelessly charging cars, energy systems, quantum computing. I like studying electrical and computer engineering here at Cornell because I'm learning how to develop the technologies of tomorrow.